everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So I have two things for you to show you today, and I was going to hold off and wait till I got something else in the mail, but these jeans are Amazon try before you buy, and I am going to the Whole Foods where my Amazon drops off are today because I purchased something else I need to return, not clothing related, and I figured let me just do these now so I could just do that one trip all at once. So these are the Amazon try before you buy. They're the AG jeans, and they're the Prima ankle cigarette, all right? So they are like, I guess what they call a skinny, but not a true like ankle squishing skinny, at least I don't think so. And they're in like what they called as mint green, all right? To me, this isn't quite a mint green. This is a lot more sage to it. And I was really, the color online was deceiving. I thought it was going to be like a lot lighter. Loft has this pair of jeans right now in this color. And if I were going to buy this color, I would buy them from Loft because they're cheaper there. And typically Loft jeans fit me well. I bought these because I thought these were a lighter color. Then they're $85. Again, they're AG jeans, so for AG, that is not a bad price. I will try them on. If they look fantastic on me, I will consider them, but honestly, I think I prefer to get the ones from Loft instead if I buy this color. All right, the next thing I purchased was this Michael Stars tank dress from Stitch Fix Shop Your Looks. I also got this in my usual size, extra small. This is the Eliza wide binding tank dress. And I believe this is 100% cotton, as most Michael Stars are. Let's make sure here. All right, interesting. 80% cotton, 20% polyester, all right? And I'm just gonna let you know the tag is very faded. You can barely read it. So that's kind of interesting right there. This is new and it's from Stitch Fix. Michael Char's tank dress jersey, and they're calling this black, all right? And this is not black. This is a light blue and what looks to me like a dark navy blue stripe running through it. I think this will be perfect to wear to the yacht club. What do you guys think? Not that I go to a yacht club, but it definitely has that vibe. I'm a little bit concerned about it. I do not want a bodycon dress, and when I was looking at it on the model, it looked to me like a fit and flare. So we will see how it fits me. So give me a minute and I'm gonna do a try on. Okay, first up I have the Michael Stars dress. And just like Michael Stars, it's pricey. It's $108, but it is super soft and I really like it. And it fits me very well. So I'm wearing a regular bra with this. I think I would wear my racerback bra with it, but I don't need to. I think I'm completely covered here in the back. It's not bodycon. It has some room to it. I don't feel like I have to suck anything in. I'm not wearing shapewear currently, and I did eat a ton of chocolate covered cashews, which I got for Mother's Day. So if I can, not wear, shapewear after eating all that, I think that's pretty good. So this comes to about like an inch above my knee, okay? And I think this is a great summer dress, kind of cute, kind of sporty. So I think I'm gonna keep this. Let me know your thoughts. All right, here's the front and here's the back and the side, okay? All right, give me a minute and I'm gonna try on the jeans. I promised to try on the jeans, and I have to because this video will be super short otherwise, but I can't button and zip them. They're at least a size too small, if not 2 sizes too small. And they're like that jegging style, which I'm really trying to get away from. I don't necessarily need a straight or a loose fit, but I'm trying to get rid of ones that are like glued to my skin. I'm tired of that look. I have plenty in that look. I don't need any more in that look. And the funny thing is, I have a pair of colored jeans from AG that I got from a thread up in like a coral color. And a lot cheaper. They were $17 and they fit me fine. And these are a size or 2 too small. Button here, the whole buttonhole over here. So that it's a good 2-3 inches where I can't even button them. So I would say probably 2 sizes too small. So these are no, they're going back. I'll pan down so you can see the length on them on me. Okay. And you can get an idea of how the length is. And as most of you know, I'm only 5'2", so I'm on the shorter side, so you can see them bunching here at my knee and then also pooling down here at the ankle. So these are a no for me, and I'm glad I got a chance to try them on so I could bring everything back to my Whole Foods today where they have an Amazon return. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.